Introduction. Developing a mobile app is an intricate process that involves careful planning, design, development, testing, and maintenance. With the growing reliance on smartphones for various daily tasks, the demand for robust and user friendly mobile applications has surged. Whether you aim to create an app for business, entertainment, education, or any other purpose, understanding the development process and the technologies involved is crucial. This guide provides a step by step overview of the mobile app development journey from idea generation to launch and beyond. Mobile app development process. 1. Idea and planning. Idea generation. Begin with a clear, innovative idea. Identify the problem your app will solve or the need it will fulfill. Market research. Investigate existing apps in the market, understand your target audience, and gather initial feedback to refine your concept. Define goals and objectives. Clearly outline the goals and objectives of your app. What do you want your app to achieve? Create a requirements document. Compile a comprehensive list of features, functionalities, and the overall scope of your app. This document will guide the development process. 2. Design. Wireframing. Create a basic blueprint of your app's layout and structure using tools like Sketch, Figma, or Adobe XD. Wireframes are essentially the app's visual guide. Prototype. Build a clickable prototype to visualize the app's functionality and user flow. This helps in gathering early feedback and making necessary adjustments. UI/UX design. Focus on designing a visually appealing user interface, UI, and a seamless user experience, UX. Ensure the app is intuitive and easy to navigate. Development. Choose a platform. Decide whether your app will be developed for iOS, Android, or both. Front-end development. This involves coding the user interface. Common languages and frameworks include iOS, Swift, Objective-C, Android, Java, Kotlin. Cross-platform, Flutter, Dart, React Native, JavaScript, Xamarin, back-end development. This is the server-side development that manages databases, user authentication, and server logic. Technologies include languages, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Java. Databases, MySQL, MongoDB, Postgres APIs, application programming interfaces. APIs enable your app to communicate with other services or platforms, e.g. Google Maps API, payment gateways. Nano 4. Testing. Functional testing. Ensure each feature of the app works as intended. Usability testing. Confirm that the app is user-friendly and provides a good user experience. Performance testing. Test how the app performs under different conditions, such as high user load or poor network connectivity. Security testing. Ensure the app is secure and protects user data. Device and platform testing. Test the app on various devices and operating systems to ensure compatibility and performance. Timer 5. Deployment. Prepare for launch. Get your app ready for submission to app stores. Apple App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. App Store guidelines. Follow the specific guidelines for each platform to ensure your app is approved. Beta testing. Release a beta version to a small group of users for final feedback and testing. Number 6. Launch. Submit to app stores. Once approved, your app goes live on the app stores. Marketing. Promote your app through social media, advertisements, and other channels to reach your target audience. Monitor and analyze. Use analytics tools to track user behavior, app performance, and gather insights for further improvements. 7. Maintenance and updates. User feedback. Continuously collect and analyze user feedback to identify areas for improvement. Bug fixes. Regularly update the app to fix any issues or bugs. New features. Add new features and functionalities to enhance the app and keep users engaged. Technologies involved. Development tools. Xcode iOS, Android Studio Android, Visual Studio Xamarin. Design tools. Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD. Programming languages. Swift, Java, Kotlin, Dart, JavaScript, C#. Frameworks. React Native, Flutter, Xamarin. Backend technologies. Node.js, Python, Ruby, Java, MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL. APIs and services. RESTful APIs, Firebase, Google Cloud, AWS. Testing tools. XCTest, iOS, Espresso, Android, Appium cross-platform. Analytics and monitoring. Google Analytics, Firebase Analytics, Crashlytics. By following this structured approach and leveraging the appropriate technologies, you can create a successful mobile application that meets users' needs and stands out in the competitive app market.